Yo, haha, Magnificent. What is good, your boy Magnificent coming back with another quick video. I'm going to show you guys how to put Roblox on your VR headset, whether you have Quest 2 or Quest Pro. All you need is the Sidequest application on your desktop or, on the headset itself. You want to go in, download the whole Roblox, at least look for it on Sidequest, but you do have to authenticate your Meta Facebook account. Once you do that, you're going to be able to actually download it. And after you download and you authenticate your account through the Meta app, you're going to hop over to the MetaQuest app itself, go to the app library, as you can see right here. Then we're going to go into the actual app library to see the actual application where you can download it. And once you download it, you're going to install it to your headset. Now, keep in mind, once you're doing this process and once you're logged in, initially when I had to open up the Roblox app through the VR headset, it asked for an actual quick login code. That quick login code that you get on the VR headset after you install it, you're going to go and enter that code on your application on your desktop, laptop, or if you have Roblox on your tablet or whatever account that you're actually logged in, you're going to go into settings. Once you go into settings, you're then going to enter that quick login code, and then you'll be on your way. Navigation for right now is pretty easy. You can use the left controller to kind of look around in terms of the toggle stick, but on the right controller is where you're going to actually navigate. You do have to constantly, hit the toggle stick a second time on the right side just to actually get to the destination you're going to after you're navigating, if that makes sense. But all in all, this is in development mode. This is not the actual full release. So hopefully that kind of helps you get Roblox on your account so you can kind of get used to it into the whole VR headset concept, whether you have the Quest Pro or the Meta Quest 2. Your boy Magnificent, man. I am out. Hopefully this is helpful to you guys. Hopefully you can have some fun. You can see me kind of moving around. I forgot which world I'm in, but hey, man, I'm getting used to Roblox right now. So hopefully you guys will be able to take this and kind of run with it and do your own thing. Hit me up. Magnificent is actually my name on Roblox, if I'm not mistaken. I am out. You guys stay blessed.